In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map new income or cost categories on Kashflow. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your accounting categories are well organized, so let's dive right in. First, open up your Kashflow account and head over to the dashboard. The dashboard is your starting point. Think of it as your home base in Kashflow, where you have an overview of your account at a glance. From the dashboard, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located at the top or along the side menu. Clicking on Settings opens up options for you to customize and manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to find and click on Sales Codes. This is where you manage all the income or cost categories used in your accounting. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, every option here plays a role in your financial management. After clicking Sales Codes, you'll be directed to a list of existing codes, but since we are adding a new one, look for the option that allows you to add a new sales code. Usually you'll see a button like Add New Sales Code somewhere on the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to define your new sales code. This will include providing a name and entering a unique sales code. Make sure the name reflects the purpose of the category clearly. For instance, if it's a new product line or a unique expense type, name it accordingly. Keeping everything descriptive and concise helps avoid confusion later on. Once the new sales code is created, click